Morning students. Last class we discussed about how to calculate the number of moles present in a given substance. We applied for molecules and also we did some problems based on the first formula. Now same topic but second formula based questions I should explain. How to calculate the number of moles present in a molecule. Now problem 1. Calculating weight of five moles of carbon dioxide molecule. Now answer. According to question, we can identify what is given, what is not given. So according to question, which one is given? Number of moles equal to 5. Given weight of molecule. Given weight of molecule equal to question mark. Gram molecular weight of molecule. So here CO2 molecule. How much? But we know that how to calculate the gram molecular weight of substance. That means molecular weights. Now molecular weight of carbon dioxide, you have to check it here. We can identify different elements: carbon, oxygen. Now atomic weight of carbon how much? 12. How many carbons is there? 1. 1 into 12 equal to 12. Next, atomic weight of oxygen equal to 16. But here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. So 2 into 16, 32. What is the molecular weight? Sum of all elements atomic weights. So we can sum of this one. We get value 44. That is the molecular weight of CO2. But here what is the gram molecular weight? So here molecular weight expressed as grams is called as gram molecular weight. That's why we should write 44 grams. Next, but we know that formula, general formula, number of moles equal to given weight of molecule by, here what is the molecule? Carbon dioxide, by gram molecular weight of molecule. Now which one I have to calculate here? We know these two values, we don't know this one. That's why the formula should be changes. Given weight of molecule equal to number of moles into gram molecular weight of CO2 molecule. Now this value supply in the formula, we get result. Now number of moles equal to 5. What is the gram molecular weight of carbon dioxide molecule? 44. Now 5 4 are 20. 5 4 are 20 plus 2. So this is the weight of carbon dioxide molecule. So here grams. Next, another problem. That means 220 grams of 5 moles of carbon dioxide molecule. weight of 10 moles of calcium carbonate. Calculate the weight of 10 moles of calcium carbonate. Next, according to our question, so here we are calculate the weight of 10 moles of calcium carbonate. According to question, what is given? Number of moles given. Number of moles equal to 10. Next, given weight of molecule equal to question mark. What is the molecule? Calcium carbonate. Gram molecular weight of calcium carbonate. But we know that we have to calculate the gram molecular weight of calcium carbonate. Now first we have got the molecular weight of calcium carbonate. We can identify the different elements. One time repeated, carbon 1, oxygen 3. What is the atomic weight of calcium? 40. How many calciums is there? 1. 1 into 40? 40. Next, atomic weight of carbon is 12. How many carbons is there? 1. 12 into 1 equal to 12. Next, oxygen atomic weight is 16. 1 oxygen equal to 16. But here how many oxygens is there? 3 oxygens. That's why 3 into 16 equal to 40. What is the value? 2 plus 8, 10. 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10. So this is the molecular weight of calcium carbonate. Here molecular weight expressed as grams is called as gram molecular weight. That's why it's like 100 grams. Now what is the formula? Given weight of molecule equal to number of moles into gram molecular weight of calcium carbonate. This is the formula, but we know that values, these values apply in the formula. Number of moles 10 into molecular weight of calcium carbonate. 10 into 100. How much value? 1000. That is the weight of given weight of molecule equal to 1000 grams. Next one is how to calculate the mass percentage of an element present in a compound. Now, how to calculate the mass percentage an element present in a compound or molecule. So what is that? How to calculate the mass percentage of an element present in a compound. Now formula checking. Mass percentage of an element equal to atomic weight of an element into number of atoms of that element molecule by molecular weight of molecule or compound into 100. This is the very important. So here mass percentage of an element equal to atomic weight of an element into number of atom of that element in a molecule by molecular weight of molecule into 100. That is the formula. Now question answer. So remember this formula, very important. Calculate the mass percentage of oxygen in calcium carbonate. Calculate mass percentage of oxygen in calcium carbonate. Answer. What is that formula? We know that formula. Mass percentage of oxygen equal to atomic weight of oxygen into, that means number of times oxygen repeated in the molecule. Number of oxygen atoms present in a molecule by molecular weight of molecule into 100. Now observe atomic weight of oxygen equal to 16. Next, number of oxygen atoms present in molecule. How many is there? Here are the calcium carbon oxygen. How many is there? 3 oxygens. Now molecular weight of calcium carbonate equal to calcium carbonate molecular weight of calcium carbon oxygen. Calcium atomic weight how much? 40. How many calciums is there? 1. 40 into 1 equal to 40. Now how many carbons is there? 1. Carbon atomic is 12. So 12 into 1. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. But here how many oxygens is there? 3 oxygens. 3 into 16, 48. What is the molecular weight? Sum of all atomic weights of elements present in the compound. Now 2 plus 8 equal to 10. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 10. So this is the molecular weight of calcium carbonate. Now these all values apply in the formula. Which one I have to find out? Mass percentage of oxygen. Mass percentage of oxygen. Good question. These all values apply in formula. Now, atomic weight of oxygen, how much is there? 16. Number of oxygen atom present in the molecule, 3. By molecular weight of calcium carbonate, how much is there? 100. Into 100 percentage. So now 100 1 100 1. Now 16 into 3. What is the value? 48 percentage. How much percentage of oxygen present in calcium carbonate? 48 percentage of oxygen present in a calcium carbonate. This is the how to calculate different elements percentage present in the compound. So remaining problems in this class I will discuss. Thank you.